Hello everyone and welcome to another market update video. And today I am excited to provide you with the latest insights into the real estate market in Contra Costa County, California. Whether you are a buyer or a seller, this information will keep you engaged and informed. I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and a realtor serving buyers and sellers in the Bay Area from 17 years. Let us dive right in. As we approach the February, let us take a look at the current state of the market. As of now, Contra Costa County is experiencing a unique trend. We currently have an incredibly low inventory with only 0.89 months supply available. This means that the number of available homes is significantly lower than the demand from buyers. It is a seller market, folks. Looking back over the past 12 months, we have seen a remarkable minus 17.59% decrease in the month supply of inventory. This indicates that the market is becoming even more competitive, making it essential for buyers to act fast when they find their dream home. Sellers, on the other hand, can expect a higher demand and potentially multiple offers on their properties. Now, let us talk about the list sold ratio percentage. Currently, we are seeing a strong figure of 100.9%. This means that homes in Contra Costa County are on average selling slightly above their list price. It is important for buyers to be prepared to make competitive offers, while sellers can feel confident that their properties have the potential to fetch top dollar. When it comes to the median days on the market, we are witnessing a fast pace. Homes in Contra Costa County are spending an average of just 19 days on the market before they are sold. This indicates that high demand and quick turnover in our area. Buyers need to act decisively and sellers can anticipate a timely sale if their property is priced and presented appropriately. Finally, let us discuss the median sold price. As of now, the median sold price in Contra Costa County is $757,500. This represents a significant increase compared to previous years, highlighting the continued appreciation and value of real estate in our community. It is an exciting time for sellers looking to capitalize on their investment. That's all for this market update. Everyone, I hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Remember, if you have any questions and are considering buying or selling in Contra Costa County or any other counties, don't hesitate to reach out to me or my team. We are here to guide you through the process and help you to make the informed decisions. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker with the tradition of excellence and integrity. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day.